Cities, the centre for people. Water, the essential element for lives. Urban planning and water management are essential to build a livable city. Hence, the main reason for the world to gather in Singapore. Our strategic partners put forth valuable time, effort and resources to help create the very platform here today. We are here for the world, for the future. The Singapore International Water Week and the World Cities Summit 2010.
In the future, we're going to face a very challenging environment with respect to water in cities. We're going to face a shortage of new supplies at the very time that water and water resources are becoming increasingly scarce.
Globalization, urbanization, population growth and increased demand for water will lead to greater pressure on this precious resource. The effective management of water will be a critical challenge facing governments, industries and communities going forward. IWP is developing a solution hub to address water problems in emerging and growing cities. Access to our knowledge bank shares cutting-edge research on urban water management and governance.
The trend in the world is actually to grow cities, to grow industries. Urbanization and industrialization is actually creating an additional stress on water reuse, on water purification, on water pollution and environment. IDA's vision in desalination is to promote the desalination technology for multiple sectors.
By 2030, an additional 1 billion people will live in our cities. We will undertake more holistic and synergistic approaches that promote economic development, environmental sustainability, and poverty alleviation simultaneously.
It's a challenge, so you have to work with all Habitat Agenda partners, from governments, central government, to local government, to civil society, to professionals, to human rights groups, to women groups, to the youth, etc. So really Habitat is a focal point, has a coordinating mandate to make sure that we move together.
UNDP provides a range of policy options which can accelerate a low-carbon route to economic growth with equity, strengthen national capacities to sustain such growth. UNEP's Green Economy Initiative includes cities as one of its key 11 sectors. But in reality, all sectors from fisheries to transport and agriculture echo the challenge of transforming the urban environment into a low-carbon, resource-efficient one.
We see three very specific challenges facing cities. First is, how do you handle the influx of new residents into cities? Second, how do you manage the urban systems for that volume? And third is, how do you finance the infrastructure that would be required to manage the cities of the future?
Cities are the economic powerhouses of nations, but their capacity to manage such rapid change is severely strained. The Asian Development Bank will help Asia's cities link to these resources to build cities that are inclusive, efficient and sustainable. The challenges can be resolved by taking an innovative, out-of-the-box approach towards existing problems. Our strategic partners work together to help shape the future rather than collide with it. In an ever-changing environment and rapid urbanization, sustainable cities, reliable access to clean and affordable water will be one of the most significant geopolitical issues of our generation. In this joint effort, every voice must be heard. Every idea must be considered. Every option must be explored. We must create our own future.